Do you want to share files between two devices? I will quickly show you within 1 or 2 minutes how you can use this very great application to transfer files either from your desktop to mobile phone or from mobile phone to desktop. So the app we are going to use is called Send Anywhere. So you can go to this very website and download the application depending on the operating system you are using. Here I'm using a MacBook, and I'm going to transfer this file to my Samsung mobile phone. What to do is to download this application depending on your device. So I'm on MacBook. I have already downloaded this on my MacBook. After downloading it, this is what it looks like. Mobile phone, this is what the app looks like. That's it. Send Anywhere. So I'm going to open Send Anywhere on my mobile phone. What I'm going to do now, because I'm trying to send this file from my MacBook to the mobile phone. On MacBook, I'm going to either drop or open my folder in order to pick the file I want to send. So I'm going to send one of these MP3 files here. I'm going to pick it, open. Now, I can send this in several ways. I can, for example, copy link and use this link to open on the secondary device. But what I want to do here is to use the code generated here. As you can see, it expires in 10 minutes. Now let's go to my receiving device, which is the mobile phone. Let's go receive. Now it's asking us for the code. Now let us input the code here, which is 850258. Pardon, these messages appearing here. So let me click send. Now we are receiving the file. As you can see, the file is being transferred. Pardon the advertisements that are showing up here. The file, as you can see, the file has been sent as it shows on the desktop. While here on my mobile phone, you can see that the app has been sent, or rather that the file has been sent to my mobile phone. So this is just as easy as you can see. So whenever you want to transfer files, just use this very simple application to transfer your file. I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.